Okay, so today we're going to talk about factoring polynomials, okay? So in our example, we're going to use x squared plus 6x plus 9, okay? So we're first going to look at our first factor, okay? We only have one option for our factored polynomial for the first term. We can only use x because we have no coefficient for x squared, so x times x is the only thing that can give us x squared.
Oh, okay, let me
Next,
write that down.
we want to look at our last term. For our last term, we have a 9, which means that when we multiply the second term in each of our factors, we have to get a 9. So that means we need to look at the factors of 9. In that case, we only have 1 times 9, 3, which would be 3 times 3, and 9 times 1. So that's the only options for our second term in our factored polynomials. So how do we know which one to pick? In order to pick the right one, we look at the middle term. So when we look at the middle term, we know that when we multiply our x times our number, we have to add those two together to get 6 because that's our middle term. So we can look at all the numbers you can add together to get 6. You can add 1 plus 5, but 5 is not a factor, so we can cross that out. You can add 2 plus 4. You can add 3 plus 3. So 5 is not a factor, so we can go ahead and cross that one out. 2 and 4, also not factors, so we can cross those out. Now 3 plus 3 does give us 6, okay? So we could use a 3. Now we need to know, do we need to add the 3's or do we need to subtract the 3's? Because negative 3 times negative 3 would also give us 9. So we need to look at, do we need to use positive 3's or negative 3's? And in order to find that out, we just look again at the middle term. Since it has to be positive, we know we need to use 2 positive 3's.
Oh, okay.
So if we want to check our work, all we need to do is FOIL our factors. And when we do that, we should end up with what we started with. I hope you understood what we did here today. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And I'm going to add some more videos that are about a little more difficult factoring. So feel free to click here to look at those videos and maybe get a little more information on becoming better at factoring. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel for science videos and math videos that you will enjoy. See you guys later.